In this video, I am going to guide you how to sign up on Linode.com for cloud computing and get $100 in credit for completely free. So let's get started. First of all, click on the link in the description and you will be redirected to this page. So then sign up with your Gmail account or your email account. I will sign up with my Google account. Then it will ask you which account do you want to use. Now it will ask you for the username. Enter any name that you want. On the next page, Linode will verify your phone number, so enter your phone number. And click on send code. Enter the code that you receive on your phone number and click on verify phone number. Now you can see that our promotional code is valid and our account will be credited with $100. Now it will ask you to add the billing details like your credit card or your PayPal account. I will just add my credit card. You can use any of your account. After entering your credit card details, scroll down and it will ask you to enter your billing address details. So enter your full name, now it will show you a notification that congratulations, thank you for choosing as your cloud service provider. Now log into your account. Here is your main dashboard of your Linode panel. Now to verify that you have received your $100, click on billing and contact information. You can see that in the promotion section there is $100 remaining, so you can use these $100 within the 60 days period to take the advantage. You can create any type of virtual machine by just clicking on the Linode section and create Linode. There are plenty of operating system available on the Linode panel. You can create any type of machine by this, but remember that if you want to create a Windows Server machine or any type of Windows machine, you cannot directly use this operating system, as this is not currently supported by Linode. So if you want to know how to sign up a Windows based virtual machine, I have added the link in my YouTube channel description, so make sure to check that out. And if you like my video, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you have any type of question, comment down and let me know, and I will help you to solve those errors and anything if you want to know.